Well, ladies, I am super disappointed to report something has happened with the videos, and the video for putting all of the stickers on has disappeared. I don't know what happened, but I don't want to redo the whole book in order just to show you the stickers. So you guys are good. You've been doing this for a while, and I'm sure I can just walk you through where the stickers are placed, and then you should be good. Now, there is a whole nother video that actually talks about the gems, because that was the last thing that I did, was the gems and the glitter glue. So let's focus only on the stickers right now, and then you will watch the second video to go over your gems. So for the stickers on the front cover, we're going to be using the sticker sheet Jingle All the Way, The Story of Christmas, and Here Comes Santa Claus. And then for the chipboard, we have the camera that I decided to put on there. Inside, on this one, there is a red heart sticker that you're going to be using, and then that's it here. On your first page, there is a sticker that looks like the metal tags that says Christmas, and you're just going to be overlapping it onto the other one that's there. Let's turn that page. Here we have the paper embellishment documented. On this one, we're going to have the little tag that is like those little clips to hold paper together with the holly leaves. It's a sticker. We're going to have the sticker Christmas, and then we're going to have the one we already put on. So you've got that already if you're to the sticker part, or yes. The hello is a paper. The December is also a paper. We put one of the wooden hearts on from the pack of the letters. Turn the page, we're going to put the chipboard stocking right over the other stocking. And then I have the two that we put on, and also the Christmas tree chipboard. Nothing there. Underneath here on this little 3x4 card, there is the sticker that is the, oh, I'm just drawing a blank. The candy cane. And then on top of that, we have the holly. Inside here, I don't believe I put anything, but we're just going to confirm. Yep, this looks good. Fold it back up and you can tuck it back in. On the back side of that page, I have the sticker coffee cup and Warms My Heart. We have the 4, and then we have the heart on top of the 4. Over here, you've got Calm and Bright, Bells Will Be Ringing, and then your chipboard car. Inside, we're going to do the 3 ornaments. So 2 ornaments here, you'll be trimming a little bit off at the top, and 1 ornament underneath on that paper. Also, our holiday home is underneath on the paper. On top of the page protector is going to be one of the stickers with the birds. And also on the other side, on top of the page protector, is the cardinal with the holly. Our December is going to stay as it is. On here, I didn't add any stickers. On the inside, I used a little chunk, probably about 4 inches. Well, don't say 4 inches. Let's go 4 round bumps. And that was on a part of your sticker sheet, the word enjoy. And then, oh, look at, I'm talking about something you can't see. Sorry, guys. So we're going to do 4 bumps and then cut it. And we're going to use the word enjoy. All right, and now we have the big sticker of the holly and the other sticker of the holly, the 7, and our chipboard flower, the chipboard joy. Now on these, when you go to do them, make sure you don't, like, you put something here so that it's underneath that sticker, so that you don't have, you can put your picture on it, it won't be a big deal, or leave these off. If you're gonna get your pictures on right away, just leave them off. I really try not to do things where it's over top of the picture, but this was so pretty, I just couldn't help myself, you know, Simple Stories design. Or you can take a piece of the things I like to glue on the extra sticker sheets and tuck it underneath these 2 spots until you actually get your picture ready to go. Now inside, we've got some photos and the tags, and I didn't do anything with those. You can just throw them in. This tag here has nothing on that side, but I did do on the red pocket, because this was a pocket that we made, I did the word holiday pajamas underneath, and then underneath also is the holly sticker. We're gonna put our number 8 and then the chipboard holly on here, and that's on top of the page protector. Underneath, we have, our other side, we have Slay It and the stockings. These are both stickers. And then we have our number 9 with the holly sticker. Laugh and Play is just as it is. We're gonna put the holly sticker on top here by this, the typewriter. And then on the other side, I've got Ho Ho Ho, which is a sticker, the 10, and then the Santa sticker going on there. And this is pop dotted. And half of this is pop dotted and the rest of it goes over top of the photo. And again, you know, this is one of those things where if you do not have your picture, you don't want to put that one on yet. We have our figgy pudding chipboard that we did. And this one doesn't have any stickers on it. We did the number 11. On this side, we have all the presents. So we have the green present on top of the plastic page protector. We have the blue present and then the tree, which I cut off, half of it there. And then the red present down at the bottom. All flat, all on top of the page protector. We've got Be Merry, Be Bright. I've got my sticker that is the heart. And then we have underneath, I did this, the Let's Cozy Up, the paper chip, or the paper pack one with the bits and pieces, that clipboard, and then our chipboard cup. We've got Fa La 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 on top of the page protector with a candy cane, a chipboard heart, and then the holly. Number 14 should be pop dotted. Inside, I have the 2 paper, let's just make sure you guys can see that. Inside at the top, I have the 2 paper bits and pieces poinsettias. And then this one we don't have anything on. Just lots of glitter gems, looks really fun. So we put our 15 on, we have the chipboard holly on top of the page protector. Underneath is the really big paper poinsettia. And on top of the picture is a Holly Jolly Holidays. We have a typewriter that we're gonna put down, not pop dotted, the Festive and Fun with the 1 holly, and our chipboard Mary, and then a tiny red heart. Oh What Fun, the 16. This is gonna be a chipboard cup that you put on. Underneath here, we have the presents that you're gonna put on there after you've done all the everything else. Goes underneath the page protector. Nothing on the tag, but we're gonna do the Hello, Halia, and this is a sticker, and that is a chipboard, and it's right on top of the page protector. Here we have our cardinal on top of the page protector. We got our number 17, and the stockings. Inside this guy, I put the holiday spirit, and well, that's already on there. This paper heart is something that you're gonna put on from your bits and pieces. And then we have our Merry sticker and our red heart. Make It Merry is also from the bits and pieces. Special delivery tag just tucked in. We have our 18. Christmas list. This is a chipboard piece that you're gonna be putting on here, pop dotted. And then on this one, we've got our wood heart, the Holiday Rush, which is a sticker on top of the page protector, and our sticker stocking on top, and the Good Cheer. Inside, we're just gonna do the No Pouting. Actually, it's on the page protector on the outside. I've got the word Believe that I put on top of the page protector here. I use the 25th over December, then our 19. This is a sticker. These little pieces here, one's gonna be a photo and then our tag. I've got the word Christmas, and then we did a layer of words. So the snippets of joy, making spirits bright, snow much fun, and fa la 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 la. Those are all on your sticker sheet. This page is nothing. Our pocket is gonna have that little bubble sign over top of another bubble sign. And then if we open it up, here we have the stickers that I did with that ruffle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bumps, and then you cut it and you're gonna put it right here. But you guys might have done something else, because remember, I did not have the SKUs on this album. So I improvised and did some things different because I had already thrown my SKUs away. But if you have them, you don't even need to do that. Here I've got the sticker Believe in Fun, and then also the sticker Car, our 20, sticker Cheers, and the chipboard Heart. And this one, if I look at this, there's quite a little bit going on, and it's all underneath the page protector, just so you know. This has a paper heart, and then it has the word Mary, which is a sticker up top. And then we have our ruffle again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cut it at 8 bumps, and then that's where we're gonna put that on, right underneath there. Here we've got our 22, we've got our chipboard Joy on top of the page protector, all of this is, and our wood heart on top of the page protector. We put on the 23, and then on top of the page, this is underneath the 28.3 is, and then on top of the page protector, I have the blue heart. Underneath the page protector on here, we have this Holly Jolly, which is the sticker. We have our chipboard stocking. We have the chair that says Joy underneath the page protector. We have 24, and then a collage of the chipboard presents, the blue, green, and red chipboard presents. That one is just plain. Here we have the chipboard December with a wood heart and the chipboard holiday stuff. Open it up and you have Joy to the World and your chipboard 25. These are on top of the page protector. And on this tag, we didn't do anything. Over here, we have that paper bits and pieces tree. So that goes underneath the page protector. On this little book, we did the big 25. That's a wrap. I think that's so cute. And inside, we have our little bubble, which is a paper. No, it's got to be a sticker, but boy, does that feel like paper. The Laugh, Play, and Jingle All the Way. That's going to be one of our stickers. The ampersand sign and the holly, comfort and joy, and Christmas celebrations. All the stickers. And that gets tucked in there. On the back side, we use the Merry Memories, I Love Santa, and the chipboard Santa here. And then I have the Merry and Bright to finish it off. Now, again, this book is super cute, lots of fun. Don't be cheap on your Pop Dots or your adhesive. Make sure you're using plenty when you do this so that when it closes, they don't collapse on themselves. And that is it. You guys, if you have the stickers done with this tutorial, then you're gonna go on to the next one for the glitter glue.